Mathematics for Quarter 2, Week 5, Lesson Exemplar Based. Day 3, Converting Unit of Capacity. Our lesson objective is to convert unit of capacity such as liter to milliliter or vice versa. Now for our group activity, you will be given the following pictures. We have soda, milk in a box, juice box, these are tiny boxes, a thermos, let's say a big thermos, a fluid ounce, a cup of coffee, a quart of milk, a pint of juice, a gallon of water. Now for this activity, the same thing with what we did earlier or on the other activity in mass. So you have to select what appropriate unit of measurement we have to use in order to measure the capacity of the following objects. If it's milliliter, then you have to paste the picture of that object on the milliliter column. And if it's liter that we should use, you have to paste the picture of that object on the liter column. And then, you have to collaborate and determine the commonalities and differences among those pictures, and then tell us why you pasted those pictures in milliliter column, liter column. Now let's try to check. In milliliter, we have soda, milk, a box of juice. In liter, we have the thermos or big thermos. Milliliter, we have a fluid ounce, a cup of coffee. In liter, we have a quart of milk, a pint of juice, or let's say it's in a pitcher, a big pitcher, and a gallon of water. Now for the next activity, we need to use at least 2 500 ml bottles, 2 1 liter bottles, and food color. Show at least 2 bottles of water with a capacity of 500 ml with mixed food color, 1 bottle of water with a capacity of 1 liter. How many 500 ml of water can fill up the empty 1 liter bottle? Next, test the hypothesis by using a funnel and pour the bottles of water containing 500 ml water. Stop when it reaches the capacity by comparing it to the other bottle of water with the same 1 liter capacity. Is your hypothesis correct? Now let's unlock a term. So when we say capacity, it is the amount of liquid that a container can hold or contain. Liter is the basic unit of measure for the capacity or amount of liquid in the metric system. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Capacity conversions. To convert capacity in liters to milliliters, multiply the number of liters by 1,000. Again, that is converting liter to milliliters. We have to multiply it by 1,000. To convert capacity in milliliters to liters, divide the number of milliliters by 1,000. So meaning, same thing, if we have to convert liter to milliliter, that means larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply it by 1,000. But if we are going to convert smaller unit to a larger unit such as milliliter to liter, we have to divide it by 1,000. Now for our worked example, how many milliliters are there in 83 liters? So that is converting liter to milliliters. And that means larger units to smaller units, meaning we have to multiply it by 1,000. So we have 83 times 1,000 equals 83,000 milliliters. How many liters are there in 504,000 milliliters? So we have 504,000 divided by 100 because we are converting a smaller unit to a larger unit. That's from milliliter to liter. So the answer is 504 liters. Convert 5 liters to milliliters. So it's converting liters to ml from larger unit to a smaller unit. Therefore, we have to multiply it by 1,000. Write 5 multiplied by 1,000. The answer is 5,000 milliliters. Now let's convert 37,000 milliliters to liters. From milliliters to liters, that is from a smaller unit to a larger unit, meaning we have to divide it by 1,000. So copy 37,000 divided by 1,000. The answer is 37 liters. Now for your activity, convert from milliliter to liter, that is from number 1 and number 2. So 21,000 milliliters converted to liter. Number 2, 282,000 milliliters converted to liters. We are converting from smaller to larger unit divided by 1,000. Next, number 3, 108 liters converted to milliliter. Number 4, 89 liters converted to milliliters. And number 5, 24 liters converted to milliliters. And that is from larger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply by 1,000. Now let's answer whether true or false. Write true if the statement is correct and write false if the statement is incorrect. Number 1, liter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the mass of spoonful of vitamins. Number 2, 92 liters is equal to 9,200 milliliters. Number 3, 60,250 milliliters is equal to 60 liters and 250 milliliters. Number 4, 15 liters and 257 milliliters are less than 152,570 milliliters. And lastly, number 5, liter is an appropriate unit of measure to use for the capacity of a gallon of water. Okay, good luck. Now, complete this statement. To convert capacity in liter to milliliter, we have to. And next, to convert capacity in milliliter to liter, we have to blank. Thank you for watching, guys. Your guide towards learning, Teacher ITV. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you once again.